All right, so right now we're about to head out, visit my buddy Austin at one of our spots and take some rollers of his Z that he just got. He just got a 370z Nismo, so we're gonna hit him up and see what's up. Just don't flick off the camera, fucker. Sold an automatic DE to get this bitch.
Damn right.
How's it feel to have a stick car finally?
Amazing, bro. I was tired of that auto shit.
Amazing, brother.
Amazing.
Pop off only on occasions, brother.
Occasion.
Only occasionally. Oh, it's fake. It's just an up badge 370 in Tegward. All right, I just want to show you guys a view real quick because good Lord. I don't know if you can, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but anyways, let's get back to the main focus. Today we're going to be doing some POV shots of the Nismo. Get him right with some photos. Right now he's moving in Tegward. God, that thing looks gorgeous rolling. Look at that thing. Sheesh. Too bad one of the tires popped. So on one side I'm rocking literally stocks. Like what? All right, let's get some photos of this hoe. All right, let me get my settings. Damn, I am at 28%. All right, here we go. Fucking South Carolina mosquitoes, bro. It is October. This car, like, I don't know if y'all have ever ridden in one of these, but they feel so sophisticated. Oh, y'all see that? Peep. Sauce. Gotta get that product photo.
Me and my boy Tyler Henson, he's got a
What?
he's got a
That thing chopping.
that sounds like, oh, that's the van that's next to it.
Oh, I thought that was that Audi right there. I was like, what?
Some big ass shinies. And he wants to get a he wants to do fucking interstate rollers to a promethazine song with the ZNG. What I've been scraping
Get some of
on,
the
bro.
Nismo logo.
Bro, how am I scraping like this, bro? What am I scraping? Or was that already there?
You wanna know why you're scraping?
That was already there.
Because you're a garbage driver.
Facts.
Facts. In Tegward, what else do we want to do? Straighten your wheels real quick.
I don't know how.
Oh, okay. Don't open the door. Don't open the door. He opens the door. This guy. Move out the way.
Yeah, I'm about to say, I've got stickers on the sun strip and then the shit. No, that's all I've got wise right now.
How many miles are on this thing?
79K.
All right. All right, let's get some interior shots. I'm telling you, this car is just so sophisticated looking and feeling.